Hi guys, Glader here, and today I have a video similar to the last one where I talk about a proof of concept for a feature in a custom 3.3.5 server that will hopefully enhance the leveling experience of players who are just so bored of the same old, same old. Most importantly, what this will demonstrate is the idea of a randomly dynamic event system that can be triggered with something like area triggers, and in fact it uses the area trigger DBC, which I'll show you a little bit later. Let me go ahead and just show you the event as a demonstration. We can see that when we approach this like an area trigger, some stuff happens, a little event occurs, and now this boar is attacking us. So the idea is, like area triggers, when you go towards something, there's a dice roll, there's cooldowns, it's basically a random event that could potentially happen out in the world, defined in area trigger DBC. Now let's go ahead and kill the boar, see what happens. The main issue is that you can't actually add new area triggers to the area trigger DBC. If you do, oh look at that, we got 1500 experience for participating in this event. Yeah, I really think that the world could be dramatically improved in its danger and engagement if these sorts of random events were to happen to players throughout the world. So let me show you a tiny bit about how it's actually done. Basically, all you do is define a new entry in the area trigger DBC, and while the client can't actually send opcodes for newer area triggers for some reason, I wrote something on Trinitycore that actually loads these, automatically creates an area trigger script without having to add anything to the database, and you can create these sorts of events. And in fact, you don't have to add anything to the Trinitycore database. No references to the scripts or anything. It's a little bit of magic, but the productivity is quite good for it. But yeah, so my vision is all these sorts of triggers around and, scripted random events occurring on a chance and sort of increasing the difficulty and danger of the world and making it more interesting if you're going through it for the millionth time. That was just a little demo of what you could potentially do with it. And that's just going to be the video for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.